In this video, I'll guide you through the how to activate your RBC Royal Bank credit card. Whether you're new to the RBC mobile app or just need a refresher, this tutorial will make the process quick and straightforward. Let's get started so you can start using your card without delay. First, grab your phone and open the RBC mobile app. If you haven't already, make sure you're signed in to your account. Having your login credentials handy will streamline this process. Once you're in, you'll want to scroll down until you reach the credit card section. This is where all the magic happens. Next, you'll see a list of your credit cards. Simply select the one you're looking to activate. This will bring up several options related to that specific card. Look for the option labeled Add or Activate Card and give it a tap. It's your gateway to getting your card up and running. From there, you'll need to choose Activate Physical Card. This distinguishes it from any virtual cards or other services that might be available. Don't worry, we're almost there. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the expiry date of your credit card. You can find this date right on the front of the card. Once you've entered it, tap Next to proceed. Now flip your card over to locate the CVV or security code. It's typically a 3-digit number on the back of your card. Enter this code carefully as it's crucial for the activation process. After entering the CVV, tap Next once more. And that's it. Your RBC Royal Bank credit card should now be activated and ready to use. You can now confidently use your card for purchases knowing it's fully operational. Thank you for watching this guide on activating your RBC Royal Bank credit card. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Happy spending and enjoy the convenience of your newly activated card.